Got no power to your scooter? Well, this video might be for you. Tune in to see if I can figure this mess out, because I can't at the moment. Again, I have a day off with this thing. I think I might have found the problem, which was the wire harness plugging into the ignition that I fixed before, but apparently not good enough. So just bad soldering jobs, really. Don't have a lot of room down here, so I gotta work with that and do what I can. Gotta clean it up and then resolder and test. But at least I found where the problem I think is, so yay. That was totally the problem. Bad soldering job on my end. Hopefully I did better this time. I'm gonna clean it up, wrap it up, and just be done for now. Alright, so we're back in action, which is nice. Everything's back together. Solder joint's still connected. We'll see how long it lasts. See how good I am, if I'm getting better at soldering or not. Hopefully I'm getting better. I'm gonna go test ride it. Yes, we're back in business, finally. Everything works. Can't believe it. Put all the telephone cable wrap back on. It's looking pretty normal. I just can't believe that worked. If you have no power, use the voltmeter on the battery down under the deck. Unplug that battery, test the voltmeter on DC settings. Make sure you do it right. Make sure the power's going to the neck. And then once you're there, check all your components and the wiring to everything. Mainly the ignition. If you don't see the red, it doesn't go on, there's a problem. It's not getting power up to the neck, and that's what I was dealing with. We had full voltage down there, but like 1 volt up here. So once I figured that out, inside of the ignition, not really, you know, the wire. Once we figured that out and we redid the wire, everything works perfectly now. So we'll see how much vibration it can take from here. So that's it. How to fix your Roadrunner D4 Plus 4.0 when you lose power and don't know why. At least that's how it was for me. Check your ignition wires. All right, peace out.